Students, here we are going to talk about the topic cost control and cost reduction. This is the first part of the different presentations related to this topic. So let's start with the definition of cost control. CIMA London has defined cost control as the regulation by executive action of the cost of operating an undertaking, particularly where action is guided by cost accounting. Cost control is basically a process which involves a different set of functions wherein we are preparing to set the standards for meeting the cost expenses, and further we analyze it later on with the actual standards set and what are the actual costs incurred and the budgeted costs which have been set earlier, to find out the reasons if there are for any difference. So when we have these reasons before us, we can again plan for the next financial year that wherever the costs are high, we can plan it at a whole broader sense for the whole financial year to reduce the costs. Then moving to the next slide, there are few steps in cost control. The steps are, first is establishing norms. When we are talking about the cost control, first we set up the few norms or standards which will serve as yardsticks for measuring performance. That if we expect that for production of some part of output, we need to incur so much expenses. So first we set out some standard costs, and later on when actual production happens, we compare them with the standard set. So the next step, as you can see, is comparison with the actual, and later on the variations are analyzed to arrive at the causes which are controllable. So then after these analysis, the corrective action is being taken. So remedial measures are being taken to avoid the recurrence of variation in future and for revision of standards wherever necessary. So we are working towards corrective action after comparing the actual costs incurred with the standard cost set earlier. Now we define what is cost reduction. Cost reduction is a process which aims at lowering the unit cost of a product manufactured or service rendered without affecting its quality by using new and improved methods and techniques. It ascertains substitute ways to reduce the cost of a unit. It ensures savings in per unit cost and maximization of profits of the organization. So basically the cost reduction process is being taken up at per unit level, and the costs are being reduced and the quality is not also affected. So when we talk about cost control and cost reduction, we are talking about two different processes which wherein the cost control is a broader aspect and cost reduction is a narrower aspect, because cost control happens at the broader level. We talk about controlling the cost when the new production is going to start. But when we are talking about cost reduction, we are talking about the per unit expenses being incurred and how we identify those expenses and then reduce it if it is not necessary to be incurred, so that we don't hamper the quality of that product with improved methods and techniques. There are few key differences between cost control and cost reduction. The first one is the activity of maintaining cost as per the established norms is known as cost control. So the activity of decreasing per unit cost by applying new methods of production in such a way that it does not affect the quality of the product is known as cost reduction. So students, I told you before only that cost control is being incurred by establishing norms, but cost reduction is being done wherein per unit cost is being decreased by using different new methods of production and not affecting the quality of the product. So basically cost control focuses on decreasing the total cost, whereas cost reduction focuses on decreasing per unit cost of a product. Cost control is temporary in nature because we take these for the whole year and it might not be applicable the next year, but cost reduction is regular, permanent, because we are finding out new techniques to make the same product and we are continuously improving upon those techniques. So cost reduction is a permanent process which stays for long. The process of cost control is completed when the specified target is achieved. Conversely, the process of cost reduction has no visible end, as it is a continuous process that targets for eliminating wasteful expenses. Those expenses which can be reduced, or maybe which are redundant, or maybe which are not required, those are being removed by cost reduction processes. Then you have cost control does not guarantee quality maintenance, whereas 100% quality of maintenance is assured in case of cost reduction. Cost control is a preventive function as it ascertains the cost before its occurrence. Cost reduction is a corrective action. We are doing all the setting of parameters beforehand when we are doing cost control process, but cost reduction is being done later on when all the processes are already being incurred. So moving to the next slide, wherein all more differences are being written. Cost control is the achievement of predetermined targets of cost. Cost reduction is the achievement of the real and permanent reduction in costs. So you can see all the further all the differences which are being given. So please don't take note of the note which has been written here down. So next is the comparison chart which has been put up in a proper way. So there are different bases of comparison between cost control and cost reduction. First of all is the meaning, which I have already told you. Then savings in cost control is done on total cost, whereas in cost reduction it is done cost per unit. And retention of quality in cost control is not guaranteed, whereas in reduction it is guaranteed. The nature of the cost control is temporary, whereas reduction is permanent. The emphasis on cost control is past and present cost. We check out upon the historical costs being incurred and then implement it on the present costs which are being done. Whereas cost reduction is about present and future costs. Then cost control ends when the predetermined target is achieved, because it's a temporary process, and once all the methods or corrective actions are being taken or the reasons for difference are being found out, we stop this process. But cost reduction does not stop. The type of function which is involved with cost control is the preventive action, whereas cost reduction is a corrective action. Moving forward, there are few scope and areas of cost control. Those are product design, organization, production, administration, marketing, and finance. So you can implement the cost control techniques in all these different areas or departments of an organization, because each and every area has too much scope wherein few extra costs or redundant costs are being incurred, and that is where we can reduce them just thinking about it before the beginning of the financial year. Moving forward, the rest of the slides I will continue in the next presentation. So I hope you might have understood the concepts of cost control and cost reduction right now. Thank you so much. We'll continue with the rest in the next presentation. Thank you.